Good day, I am Marina and welcome to my channel Queen of Sewing, where I will teach you to sew from A to Z. As children, my sister and I sat at my mother's feet with pieces of fabric, pins, needle and thread to make clothes for our dolls and later on for ourselves. This inspired me to study fashion design under the foremost lecturers in my country. During our school holidays and as students, we made our own clothes. We occupied the big dining table for the entire holiday, only cleaned our machines and the table on a Saturday morning in order for the family to dine together over the weekend. And on Monday morning, we were back at work. At the end of the holiday, each of us had a new wardrobe for the next season at a fraction of the cost of buying new clothes. The most pleasing advantage to us was that no one else had the same garments as we did. I mostly work for theatre productions where I gain a lot of knowledge about the construction of costumes, especially dance and ballet costumes. Naturally, I also make a lot of my own clothes. Each garment I make is fashioned to my identity, and no two garments are the same. From time to time, there is also the pleasure of designing and making a special garment for a friend or family member. The techniques I am going to teach you were best for me. Also, different fabrics require different techniques, and there are always more than one correct technique. For some people, it might be a bit old-fashioned, but I use either commercial patterns or patterns that I constructed myself from a basic block where I make use of proper measuring tools. I also combine commercial patterns to make my own design. A well-designed pattern will save you a lot of time and frustrations, and the garment will fit nicely. The inside of a garment must be as neat as the outside. As fashion trends evolve, some of the techniques also change, and therefore I am still learning new skills and using new trimmings for a well-finished garment. The most important lesson I wish you to understand is to enjoy every step and relax while you are working. Forget about the daily demands. The whole process is not only the finished garment, but the entire experience and a unique outfit. At some stage in future, I would love to see you mix and match different patterns to create and sew your own individual garments. Of course, you will need to start at learning the basic methods, but you can do this at any age. Children, teens, students, parents and grandparents can all join in and learn. It is a wonderful hobby, and for some of you may even start off a career. I will post one lesson a week, and therefore subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these polls. Like if you can relate to this and share with others who may be interested in the art of sewing. In the next video, I will tell you about the essential equipment for beginners. We are not starting with the most expensive tools and equipment. You can be just as successful with affordable equipment. See you soon.